In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Microsoft Loop component full 2026 guide. Let's start with a quick bit of context. Microsoft Loop components are live collaborative blocks like lists, tables, or task trackers that can appear inside Loop pages and also inside chats in apps like Teams and Outlook. When you delete a component, you're removing it for everyone who can access it. So make sure you've picked the right item and that you have permission to make changes. To remove a component from a Loop page, begin by heading to the Microsoft Loop website at loop.cloud.microsoft.com and sign in with the account that owns or can edit the workspace. Once you're in, open the workspace that contains the page where your component lives. If you're part of multiple workspaces, take a second to verify the correct one. Look for the page title or recent activity to confirm you're in the right place. Open the page and move your cursor over the component you want to remove. When you hover, you'll see a handle or six-dot menu appear near the component. Click that menu to bring up the component options, then choose Delete. If you're asked to confirm, go ahead and confirm the deletion. The component will disappear from the page. If you removed it by mistake, use Undo right away to restore it. You can also review the page's version history if your organization has that enabled, which can help you recover recent changes. Now let's cover components that are embedded in chats, such as in Microsoft Teams or Outlook. Open the chat or channel message that contains the loop component you want to remove. Hover over or tap the component to reveal its menu. Depending on the app, this might look like a More Options button. Open that menu and select Delete. Confirm the action if prompted. Keep in mind that chat permissions can affect what you're allowed to delete. Typically, message owners or users with edit rights can remove the component. Deleting it from the chat will remove the live component for participants. So check with your team if you're unsure. A few final tips to keep things smooth. Always double check the component name or content before deleting, especially if there are similar items on the page. If the menu doesn't appear right away, try clicking once inside the component to focus it, then hover again. And if your changes don't show, refresh the page or the chat to see the updated state. That's it. Clean, quick, and safe deletion of Microsoft Loop components wherever they appear.